Hello traders, I'm back here. Today is 30th of June, Wednesday 2021, and I just finished my trading day, and I would like to show you how I analyze market at the New York session. I've already broadcast my London morning session analysis review. If you haven't seen it, the video link is given in the video description, so feel free to watch. And let me share with you guys how I analyze market at the New York session, at the New York Open, and help my traders to bank amazing pips. We had amazing volatility today. Let's dig into the system and let me share with you guys how I help my traders. All right, so if you don't want to miss my latest analysis update review, so feel free to subscribe to this channel. Let's dig into the three major currency pair: EURUSD, pound dollar, and the dollar CAD. EURUSD, if you look at here, as I said to you guys in the morning, we were short. We had this breakout, and at the New York session we also had another breakout short trade here. Let me share with you the New York session analysis. And if you look at here, this is the analysis I did previously, but I'm not gonna go this one, but I've already done it in the London morning session. Please watch that video, link is given in the video description. So New York session, we had it beautiful. As you can see here, we were short from this morning. As you can see here, let me change the color. So we were short from here, as you can see at the bottom. That was the analysis I did last night. So we were short, and at the New York session, you can see here just before at opening bell, we had this breakout as explained to my trader. Look at the momentum and the price action in 4 hours. The price nicely broke on the previous low. Then we're going to be taking a short trade here. As you can see, we had a breakout short trade, and afterwards, as always, after the breakout, beautiful two more pullbacks, few more pp. So we had a beautiful trades on EURUSD at the New York session. We also had a beautiful short trades at the London morning session. Let me share with you the pound dollar. Pound dollar, we had amazing trade. As you can see here at the London morning session, in my analysis, we were short and then long as a counter. We also had a beautiful enjoy this long trade, and afterwards we had this breakout short trade, and afterwards keep taking a pullback short trade. Let me share with you the New York session analysis, guys. As you can see here at the London morning session, as you can see that we banked beautiful pips, and at the New York session, just after the opening bell, price reverse and explain to my trader, price develop a double top here. As you can see here, if the price is going to break this level, then we're going to be taking a short trade here. As you can see here, price nicely broken, beautiful short trade, momentum is bearish. And if you look at in 4 hours, that's what I explained to my trader. If you just extend this resistance level, price nicely respected, which is previously respected here. So price retest this level. That's another confirmation for us to go for short. And we had this short trade here. Afterwards, as always, once we bank some profit, as soon as the price reverse, explain to trader, look at the bottom, momentum is bearish. So taking another breakout short trade as soon as the price is going to break the previous low, and beautiful short trade. And as soon as the price hit to the first target, bank beautiful pips on pound dollar. This was the analysis at the New York session, guys. All right, so let's move into the dollar CAD quickly. Okay, dollar CAD, we had a counter short trade, and we had a pullback counter short trade here as well. Let me share with you the analysis. And if you look at here, this morning we were long, as you have seen it, my morning analysis. I was long here. From here, you can see here, beautiful pips. And as you can see here, once the price develop a false breakout, that's what we explained to my trader. It's time to basically look for the counter opportunities, but we need a valid technical entry. That's always we explain to traders. So explain to trader, if the price is going to break, take a pullback breakout and pull back short. You can see here we had a breakout, bank few pips, and we have another pullback. And I also update that analysis just before the opening bell. We have explained trader that price is already broken, so look for this pullback. And you can see here price nicely developed pullback as soon as the price hit to the support level, which is you can see here previously at the 4 hour. And that's what I explained to my trader, it's time to enjoying pipping. And let's see what if the price is going to respect. So you can see we had a beautiful long this morning, bank beautiful pips, and we had a short trade. Again, guys, it's only 100% based on the 4 hour price action. We had amazing trade long and short, bank beautiful pips on pound on dollar CAD. So we had also beautiful trade. You can see here most of them. We had a beautiful breakout long trade on dollar yen. Let me explain to you the dollar yen in 4 hour. As I said to you guys, we always look at the 4 hour. And if you look at the 4-hour, you can see here price develop a bull flag pattern, and that's what we're looking at. And if you look at this candle, this is the candle, basically is a bullish engulfing candle. That's the good sign, and that's what I did in analysis. We had this breakout, and as soon as the price hit to this level, you can see here daily support level, resistance level, even the price broken the monthly resistance level. That was a beautiful long trade on dollar yen. Again guys, based on the 4-hour price action, if you look at here, this was the analysis. We had a beautiful long trade on dollar yen, so we really enjoyed. All right guys, that's it for today. As you can see, we had amazing volatility and banked beautiful pips. If you are interested to watch all that live analysis in real time, and if you really want to develop your trading skill in real time, if you're struggling it, this is the platform where you can see all that analysis in real time, intraday analysis alongside with a 4-hour analysis. And once you develop your trading skill, we can also open door for you to get funded. So if you are interested how I help private traders through live intraday analysis using this platform, feel free to book one-to-one free consultation. My availability calendar link is also given in the video description. And even if you are experienced trader guys, most welcome to join. This is all pure price action trading, and I'm pretty sure you're going to enjoy peeping alongside with my professional trader. That's it guys for today. I hope you enjoyed this analysis review. Have a nice evening. Stay blessed. Until next time, all the best.